Oh shit, we're gonna get bulldozed. There's Leland.
What the hell is that name?
It's Leland. Why do you say Leland? It's Leland.
Cause it's Leland.
It's Leland. Who the You're the one guy I've never met who says Leland.
Hey, what's up, Leland?
Hey, what's up, Leland? Leland.
Almost sounds like a Pokemon.
Leland. Here we are. We're at the gas station.
Who's pumping
That's
it?
right. Get that shit up.
Hey, yo, Grandpa.
And he's just mad.
I'm gonna be
So
okay,
Bubba
maybe I
will
should
be
have
in
looked at the
basement, and then like we're gonna be around the
Yeah,
map.
Red, you got go kill him before they can escape, man.
But I'm up there. Hey,
Guys,
wait,
you got
wait.
dinner! Why would you look at just
Of
came?
course, it's the black guy.
Yeah, what's the
Oh,
black
I got
guy?
hooked the black guy, dude.
No.
Okay, I have no idea how to play this game, so this is gonna be a very hard.
R1 is your
I
sprint.
got approved.
So
Like
we all
R1
have
is a
perks. L1 is a sprint. R1 is your ability.
I'm scared, guys.
Oh, the D-pad is like so you know where traps are.
How these? They cannot be. They can't be still in basements. Still.
They can because
Well, maybe I expect that younger players.
Wait, they're down here with me?
yeah.
Yeah, they start down there with you.
They all stand
Oh,
down
shit,
there.
I didn't know that!
Yeah.
Oh, found the car. I'm
Alright.
turning it on.
Yeah.
Wait, who's the? I think it's the hitchhiker that has the best turning on the car. Car's on.
Alright.
Just make sure no one gets out there.
Lantern.
Ah, chicken, man.
Hi, cheeky.
Here's a well.
There we go.
Oh,
Nice
someone
one,
pissed off
finally.
Grandpa.
Who pissed off Grandpa? Who talking to Grandpa?
Touch Grandpa.
That's Leland. That's Leland. We got Leland.
I got a on my side, guys! They're so red!
Go help him. Go help him. Go help him.
Well, I need to feed him blood. I got a full pile.
Oh yeah. Alright, he's level 1 now.
The cook is like, the cook is the best for this. He's not even level 1. Here you go, Grandy.
She's running. Where'd she go?
Oh, look at this. Framey. Why is it so framey?
You didn't get the PS5 version.
I do. I just like don't know
yes.
what. I have it on performance.
Goku, you keep focusing on helping Red. I'll keep feeding Graham.
above. One's above.
Where? Oh, he's by the. She's
Oh,
by
what
the.
the
She's
fuck?
by the thing. That way. No, Red. Other way, Goku. Other way.
I know.
That way?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Over here.
Are you out of the basement yet, motherfucker?
I'm right behind you!
I see him. I see him.
I saw him.
By shutter. Two.
Oh, let's get their buttholes.
Where are you?
They're inside the house. They're by Grandpa. Yeah.
You're by Graham?
Yeah.
I was just in the.
Well,
Looking
they're
around,
around
boys.
there.
Looking around.
Hello.
Just making this noise.
That's.
Guys, shut up!
Alright, I was just closing the little thing so they can't get out.
Can they hide?
Hello.
Yeah, they can hide.
Hello, anyone in here? No.
What's this?
There's like multiple doors they can open.
Oh, they can hide too. I didn't know that.
They got three.
Yeah.
As of right now, I know 3 ways out. You got to turn off the generator.
Hey,
turn
what the
off-
Hey! I got a hoochie over here! She's trying to escape!
Where are you? Where are you?
Come on, I'm near a shed.
Okay.
The chickens are alerted! She alerted the chickens!
Hey! Oh, she's going in the basement. She jumped down.
How do I jump down?
You can't.
The fucking. The battery for the car is still on. What about the gen?
Oh, did she jump in the well?
Yeah.
But they get hurt like really bad if they do.
They get like stunned.
Oh, I forgot if I have my chainsaw on. Oh yeah, they can hear that shit.
Yeah, but it won't matter. Generator's still. Oh, Grandpa.
Grandpa?
Nobody. Okay, so the generator's still on in the car.
They might go
could
for
be by
the fuse.
car. I think I just walked by the fuse. It was still red. Okay, I'm confused. What does this guy's ability do?
Oh, fuck. I thought it was a fucking. I forgot. I think. Oh, so Cook can like hear people. So he has like super hearing basically.
So I can hear people like moving.
Yeah. Like you can get
Someone's
like,
going up the
good
stairs?
distance. That was me.
Oh, that's you too. Okay. Look around the house.
Oh, what the fuck?
No,
Grandpa!
Grandpa, I see him. I see him.
Grandpa's mobilized.
Yeah, they
fucking
can attack
stabbed
Grandpa. They stabbed poor Gramps.
Why would they want to do that? He's so sweet.
They're okay.
Someone's
they went
downstairs.
to the left.
There's some
me.
people downstairs.
That's me.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, he's immobilized. He didn't care. We can't.
Man, I hear fucking Red's fat ass down there.
They're trying to find his footsteps. Oh, I found foot.
Found a foot.
That should be sleeves.
What do you have, Goku? Like, what's your ability? Like,
Footsteps.
do you
I got your ass. Got your ass, bitch.
Where?
On me.
Okay, I see you.
Oh, she escaped. Wait, no, she's good.
No, she didn't. That's not
No,
the.
no,
That's
no.
not the.
Car.
Is the car still on?
Car.
Is the car still on? No, it's still on. The thing's red.
Come on.
Hello, come here.
Come here.
I'm gonna go left.
Why is all the action there?
Come on, motherfucker. Because we're up here already. Get her ass. Oh yeah. Beat her ass.
That's for Gramps.
It's for Grandpa.
Man, I'm going upstairs. Man, all the action's up there.
Got killed. Come here. You shot off my car. I'm not a big fan of that. I think my padlock's still on that gate though.
Did he touch my Mustang Corolla? I'm about to answer.
My padlock
hungry.
is still on. Get her ass.
Where is she?
Come here,
She's still on. She's by the gate. Beat her up.
She's low.
Wait. I'm gonna go. Keep
Hey,
taking her. I'm gonna turn back on the car's still on cooldown.
I got her.
You dead?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
I'm gonna turn. Keep looking around. I'm gonna turn back on the car.
Alright. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa again.
Last one.
If we didn't kill Leland, we would have been fucked. I don't see any footsteps.
That's 80 blood.
Is that him?
Another chicken. You see his ass?
You see him?
That's him. I see him.
Where?
Get him,
On
boy.
me.
Where the fuck? You up or down? I didn't see you in the middle.
Up or down.
Up. I'm up.
Like by where? By a generator or the car?
A fence. Oh, he turned on
Yeah,
the
he's got
generator. He
generators.
turned it on. He's escaping.
Turned it off? Wait, Red, is it off or on?
Stop.
It's
Stop
off,
right
it's
there.
off. It's on cooldown.
In the name of the law, stop right there. No, I want to kill him.
Oh. Oh, kill her! Kill her ass!
Come on, pretty lady. Pretty woman. What the hell?
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
We did it!
Get off my property.
In the street, you look at this armadillo.
I'm a ballerina.
When we get to Survivor, it's gonna be really fucking different because we gotta choose certain perks. Okay, now where the fuck am I?
Seems they got some fighting them after all.
Is this
So they're all in the basement, right?
They're all
They're all in the
they're all
basement
here
right
with
now.
me.
Until Grandpa wakes up? And
Until
do we get
Grandpa
in?
wakes up, or where
Run,
they
boy,
make too much
run.
Through
noise.
that fucking door, dumbass. That's how you get on here.
Go run, boy. You have a shit in
You
your
just
pants.
leave this way? This sucks.
Man, f this shit. I'm gonna go get Chipotle. See y'all later. Bro, I found an armadillo.
Johnny, get your ass back here.
But the armadillo.
I already
Come
found
on,
one.
I need to lock the door. Let's go.
But how do we get inside?
You can't.
Fucking door, dipshit.
I'm shooting. But can't they get out through the door?
That's why I'm gonna put a padlock on it. Now hurry the fuck up and get in here.
Oh my fucking god, I'm coming. Also, I need to increase my stamina. I didn't know I had stamina.
Yeah, you have attribute points that can like help you
Yeah.
out. So if you want to be quicker,
Wait, do you get more blood if you take it?
yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
No, I mean
Because
like
I'm
you get
the
more
cook.
than I would.
There's also a
Yes.
perk that allows you to carry more blood.
I think that's what I'm going for. Oh, I'm red. They turned off the fucking battery.
Wait,
that
they're
you?
already up there? Oh, there we go.
Damn it, Ray! Why'd you turn off the battery?
Cause I don't know what the f I'm doing.
Fuck, turn it back on.
I can't. It said I could turn it off.
Why would you? That stops them.
Why would it let me?
No. Now turn it back on.
You turn it on.
I didn't really want to hurt her.
God damn it, Red.
I didn't know. You act like I know this
Oh,
shit.
you gotta be f***ing me. It's on cooldown.
No, where do you think you're going?
Oh shit! Turn the valve.
You gotta stop that, mate. I'm down here.
I got one.
Oh, okay, I gotta lock this and go.
That might be the guy that like is up there, cause there's still some with us, or at least with me right now. I already killed one.
I heard it. It's like I heard the gas thing.
That's one, and I know there's more around here. I know you're here.
Shit. I need
That's
someone
you.
up here to help with generators. I only got padlocks on those things.
Alright, fine. I'm coming.
Yeah, I think
you
they
gotta
might
survive.
be up there.
You gotta survive by yourself down here, Alan.
What the fuck does this do?
Alright.
They're trying to open something.
Someone left. Someone else is up
I
here.
got someone on me! It's Leland! Ah, I'm getting bullied!
How
I'm
many-
locking this door.
Motherfucker, I'm just gonna...
What the fuck?
Can I do?
How do I get up here?
You know,
Oh,
fuck, I'm turning this
ladder.
off!
Oh, I can't get up this ladder.
Ban Leland!
Fuck!
I gotta find a different way to get up there.
What? How do I...
One escape! They opened the
They're fucking
gate!
waiting down there! That's why I was trying to stop, but Leland pushed me!
How do I close this gate?
You can't. You have to wait for the thing to shut. Oh, God.
I need help! There's people up here! There's more people!
Careful. They're
Yeah, it's too
getting out.
late.
They all
They all got
escaped. Thunder, you suck!
You suck!
You suck!
Motherfucker! You turn off the
You
generator! I was
turned
trying
on
to...
the fucking generator. He had the generator.
I didn't know what
I
that
had
did.
three on me. When you see a battery, if it says turn off, do not turn it off.
Why would it allow you to do that then?
Oh my god.
Do explain. Why would it allow you to do that then if it would help
I'm not the
them?
fucking dev. How the fuck should I know?
You play this game!
They're fucking in a team because there's no. They were
I
way
killed
too
one though.
coordinated for this
I killed
shit.
one.